Thank you. So this is a Hotchkiss French car, straight six, 3.5 litre, 1938. The gentleman bought it and restored it in '95. And this is the bit I like. These cars won the Monte Carlo Rally back in the day in almost an identical form of this. So you think of your Subarus and Mitsubishis and you name it, RSs, but this is what they were winning rallies in the past. Absolutely beautiful thing it is. It's stunning. Obviously reverse doors, and just Art Deco, abundant, beautiful interior. Absolutely stunning. He said the gear ratio could do with an overdrive. That's the only sort of thing, but apparently would have done 95 miles an hour back in the day, which should have been going some in the late 30s. Stunner, absolute stunner, love it.